3. The right hand stays the same. You're going to play your 3, 2, 3, 1 4 times. The left hand is going to be playing the Night Storm left hand. So from part 2, you finished with 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and then here on the 1 and 5, which took you right to the Night Storm left hand position. So for part 4, we're going to start with the open position. Thumb comes open. We're going to do a series of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, you'll be back on this E. So let's start part 3 with the right hand.